During a visit to an exercise range where he watched tests of kamikaze drones in action, North Korean leader Kim Jong Un announced the country would begin mass production of one-way attack unscrewed aerial vehicles, UAV. The development comes as North Korea and Russia significantly step up their military cooperation, including joint work on drones, raising the possibility that North Korean UAVs could start being used in the war in Ukraine before too long. North Korean state media reported on Kim's appearance at the firing range today, also publishing photos and a video showing the live fire tests. The North Korean leader was seen watching the drones strike targets including a BMW sedan and a decommissioned T-34 tank. The likely location of the exercise was close to Pyongyang International Airport according to open-source analysis. Kim called on officials to quickly establish a mass production system and begin full-scale production as soon as possible. Before we discuss about kamikaze drones, please subscribe. What are kamikaze drones? Kamikaze drones, also known as loitering munitions or suicide drones, are similar to precision missiles and unmanned aerial systems, UASs, but with some distinct differences. Unlike missiles, a kamikaze drone is capable of occupying an airspace known as loitering, for a relatively long period of time before engaging a target. These systems may also feature a built-in warhead, or payload, which is intended to detonate during engagement. How far can kamikaze drones travel? In forward operations, kamikaze drones can be flown for many miles behind the front line, waiting passively in the airspace before locating, identifying, and engaging a target. They have a unique capability to engage a target that is obscured from view, or which only emerges for a brief period of time. How deadly are loitering munitions? Extremely. Although loitering munitions carry smaller warheads than precision missiles, they are able to evade radar detection thanks to their small size and flight agility. They can also be deployed in swarm formations, which rapidly overwhelm air defenses and deplete stocks of countermeasures, resulting in a high cost per kill. Kamikaze drones are more vulnerable to some defensive systems than precision missiles, because they travel at lower speeds. However, in recent theaters, over 30% of swarms have eluded traditional air defenses. What do kamikaze drones cost? Kamikaze drones are designed to be destroyed, so the cost per unit is substantially lower than the cost of a precision missile or an advanced UAS, which is intended to be reused. Typically, they cost around $20,000, compared to an average $1 million for a precision missile.